How to recover hacked Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Facebook. Now enter your email address or phone number. Now once you're done, simply tap on forgotten password. Now enter your email address or phone number. Now select source by mobile number or email instead. Now once you're done, simply tap on continue. Now then you will be asked to enter a verification code. Simply enter it to recover your account. If this method doesn't work for you, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up your web browser. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type managing your Facebook account. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down. Now open up the second website. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on managing your account. Now tap on login and password. Now scroll down. Now click on login into your account. Now tap on login into your Facebook account. Now scroll down. Now tap on find out what to do next. Again scroll down. Now tap on if you can't access the email or phone number on your account. Now wait for the website to load. Again scroll down. Now open up the link facebook.com/hacked. Now wait for the screen to load. Now select a reason. I have selected someone else got into my account without my permission. Now click on continue. If you don't find a reason, select I don't see the right option on the list. Now tap on continue once you're done. Now wait for some time. Now tap on get started. Now wait for some time. If Facebook recognizes your device, then it will recover your account automatically. Now wait for the process to complete. Now once the process complete, simply tap on continue. Again wait for some time. Now create a password. Now retype your password and tap on continue. If this process doesn't work for you, simply go back. Now go back to this page and simply scroll down. Now open up this link. Now tap on my account is compromised. Now wait for some time. Now enter your email address or phone number. Now click on source by email address instead. Now enter your email address. Now tap on continue. Now click on recover. Now wait for some time. Now make sure to use this method from the device you have logged in before. I hope this should work for you. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.